So welcome back, and in this video we will be covering 3 points. One is hide all cards, second is reset the parent lottery number, and the third one is the change points. So let's look at the first one. So when we say we will be hiding all the cards, we will have to go into the game component and we will create another function which will work like this: hide cards, and all the true are supposed to be false. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 false. Great, this works. Now what we are going to do is, after the set timeout, we are going to put in another timeout which will be working like this, and hide cards. Let's see if that's the same one. Hide cards. Okay, that's perfect. And we will put this at 1 minute 50 seconds. 50 milliseconds, sorry. Not 1 minute, 1 second, 50 milliseconds. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so show hide all. Perfect. This works as expected. And the next thing is reset the parent, because right now, as you see, it shouldn't change. You might see the same thing, right? So we will have to reset the parent, and how are we going to reset the parent is we will have to not restart but reset. So we'll have to call in the random number again. So maybe we can do something like this. We can pass in random number, which is more like a reset. So in the game, I will pass in reset reset lottery number, and it is a random number function. I guess it's a random number. Okay, it is random number, and okay, this is good. We will use this function at this point, and we will destructure it the way we did with others. And okay, so where are we supposed to place it? So we will place it after this one, so we can have another set timeout, and in this one we can place in reset lottery number, and let's say 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's a winner. Let's see if that's a perfect. See, it changed. You can see here, you can check from here. Changed. Perfect, perfect. This is working as we expect. 2, perfect, it works. Change itself. 1, and this is awesome. This is working as we expect. Okay, so third one is about changing the points. How are we going to change the point? We will be changing from here. So when we get the result, so what we do here is we have to create small kind of logic. So var new points equals to, first we will do this thing, we'll set it to the current point. So total points, where is it? Okay, total points, and new points plus equals to 10, and set total points to new points. This is looking good. We'll do the same thing here, and we have decreased the point. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have decreased the point, so it will we'll have to reduce it, so minus. Alright, so let's see what happens. See these points? 4, it increments itself. Incorrect, it reduces itself. Now the problem is that it won't, if it's like below zero, it will just keep going and going minus something. So we would like to stop that. So how are we going to stop that? Let me, it can go, like it's going to be like way too long. So let's assume this thing that it will go below minus 10 or something. So we would like to stop it. So when we have, okay, so let's do one thing. Let's cover this in the next video, and we will have a blocker by blocker. I mean that we'll stop the points and see how other things go. All right, so see you in the next video. Bye.